Chapter 12 Air, Water and Weather. Our planet Earth is surrounded by a thick layer of air. इसे कहते हैं हम एटमॉस्फेयर. हॉट एंड कोल्ड एयर, मूविंग एयर को कहते हैं विंड. हीट ऑफ द सन अफेक्ट्स द मूवमेंट ऑफ एयर. द सन हीट्स अप द एयर मेकिंग इट लाइटर. हॉट और लाइटर एयर rises up and cool air take its place. Effect of heat on land and water. Sea breeze. During the day when the land gets warm, the air above it also gets warm. Warm air lighter होती है than cooler air, so it rises up in the atmosphere and cool air from the sea moves it towards the land. इसे कहते हैं sea breeze. Land breeze. During the night, the land cools quicker than the sea. Warm air above the sea rises. Cool air from the land take its place. This causes the breeze, which is called as land breeze. Water. More than 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Water three forms में exist करता है. First in the form of solid snow or ice. Second liquid water, and third gas, that is water vapor. ये states interchangeable होते हैं. Weather is the day-to-day condition of a particular place. Someone who studies the weather is called meteorologist. Heat of the sun causes evaporation of water. Water जब evaporate होता है तो वो water vapor की form में बन जाता है in the atmosphere. ये water vapor cool होने के बाद condense होते हैं and they form water droplets. These group together to form clouds. As the clouds move along with the air currents, the droplets join together to form bigger drops. When they are heavy enough, they fall as rain. Factors that help evaporation are wind, temperature, dry air, surface area. Condensation is the change of water vapor into water by cooling. Is called condensation. Condensation and evaporation also give rise to other conditions such as fog, mist, dew, frost, clouds, rain, sleet, hail, snow, humidity. Impurities in water. Impurities which are dissolved in water and are not visible. इन्हें कहते हैं soluble impurities. Impurities like twigs that do not dissolve in water, इन्हें कहते हैं insoluble impurities. Purification of water. Impure water can make us sick. इसलिए हमें water को purify करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. Removal of insoluble impurities. Methods used to remove insoluble impurities from water are sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Sedimentation method में impure water is allowed to stand for some time. जो insoluble impurities होती हैं they settle at the bottom. Decantation में sediments जो होते हैं वो bottom में settle होने के बाद clean water को दूसरे vessel में pour कर लिया जाता है. इस process को कहते हैं decantation. Filtration. This method of removing insoluble impurities present in water is employed using a filter. छानने को हम कहते हैं filtration. Separating tea leaves from the prepared tea using a strainer is also an example of filtration. Removal of soluble impurities. Soluble impurities present in water can be removed by boiling or by adding chemicals like chlorine and also by using water purifiers. Chlorination. This is the process of adding chlorine to the water to make water fit for drinking purposes. Chlorine पानी में जितने भी germs होते हैं उनको kill करके water को purify करता है.